Yn ogystal â'r pethau sy'n gwneud ni'n wahanol i'n gilydd, mae sawl peth sy'n gwneud pobl ar draws y byd yn debyg. Beth bynnag eich crefydd, hil, rhywedd, os rydych chi'n anabl neu beidio, os rydych chi'n ifanc neu'n hen, os rydych chi'n byw yng Nghymru, yn China neu Bangladesh. Un peth sy'n debyg rhyngddo ni i gyd yw hawliau. Mae genddoch chi, plant a phobl ifanc, hawliau sy'n specific i chi o'r enw Confensiwn y Cenhedloedd Unedig ar Hawliau'r Plentyn, sy'n cynnwys restr o'r pethau sydd angen arnoch chi i dyfu yn hapus, yn iach ac yn ddiogel.
They look at you as if you've come from Mars. It's like, no, we're exactly the same as you. Like, just because I wear a scarf and just because my religion is like different than yours, it doesn't mean anything.
Kickboxing, self-defense, I like keeping fit.
Playing football with my friends, going out.
I play a lot of football.
Dwi'n hoffi gwneud celf.
Football, cooking and rugby.
Dwi'n mwynhau'n gwneud textiliau.
Reading, I like writing novels a lot.
Reading, maths and basketball.
I do a lot of volunteering.
I'm a normal human being. Like, I probably like the same things as you. I probably listen to the same music as you. I probably do the same activities as you. Just because my religion's different, it doesn't make me a different person.